Turning off Facebook offline activity tracking is fast and easy. Go to these three horizontal lines, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on settings, scroll down and go to the activity log. Here you can turn off activity, Facebook activity. Go to your Facebook activity. Here you can go on particular sections and turn off the activities. Scroll down and choose as per your necessity. Here are some other options of apps and website of Facebook activity, so you can turn it off as per the necessity. After that, go to the activity status and disable this option, turn off. This will turn off your active status, and I hope this will help you to turn off Facebook offline activity tracking. So, thank you for watching this tutorial.